Part 3. You will hear two students, Alice and Tim, talking about the lectures they have had recently. First, you have some time to look at questions 21 to 25. Now listen carefully and answer questions 21 to 25.
Tim, the lectures we've been attending recently have been very informative. I love the diversity of the information we're learning. It gives a broad overall picture of the subject.
True, Alice, and it's useful to have a mentor help us get the most out of our studies. I admit, I wasn't particularly confident before starting this course. I felt my skills were not at the level required to succeed.
I felt the same way, but with help from Mr. Jarvis, I'm growing in self-confidence and ability every day. I'm grateful he has the time to spend one-on-one with the students.
Yeah, I improved a lot.
I would like him to be able to give us more information on other subjects, however. He does give a very narrow view of economics.
And I would like some advice on how to prepare for our seminars. I'm never sure what to expect.
I'm focusing on passing my exams at the moment. Mr. Jarvis has been coaching me in this respect. He saw I was worried and offered to help.
I'm grateful for his help in this respect too.
I'll think about what to study next year once I've passed.
I'm not sure what I should do with my life. I can't see myself pursuing a career in economics.
You have many skills that could be useful in several different fields. You've talked with the tutor about it previously, haven't you?
Not regarding my career. I did discuss with him some options for next semester, which course I might choose. He had some great advice.
He suggested that I should continue studying in this field for now. I wonder if he might help me with the experiments I need to conduct. I should ask him.
Great idea. How do you feel about the essays we've been required to write?
I thought it can be difficult, and it is actually. But I'm just able to deal with it. There are so many assignments to complete. If they were any harder, I don't think I could manage.
I feel the same way. I was talking with John yesterday, and he believes the level of difficulty for our assignments could be higher, that they are too basic for him.
I'm happy for him. I think this subject poses many challenges though.
Why do you say that? Your mathematical skills are very high. I heard you aced all your exams throughout high school.
At first the subject didn't pique my interest. I've had no previous experience in economics, so this is all new ground for me.
Before you hear the rest of the discussion, you have some time to look at questions 26 to 30. Now listen and answer questions 26 to 30.
Well, you seem to be succeeding despite your misgivings. My one concern is that we don't have the opportunity to put the theory we learn into any practical use. We learn many formulas and strategies, but with no practical application, it feels like we are wasting our time.
I don't agree. I feel that the project we worked on last month was very practical. We had the chance to test our skills and ascertain the areas we need to improve.
I will say that this course is giving us many opportunities to expand our networks, which will be of benefit when we have graduated and are seeking employment.
Yes, I've had the opportunity to meet many successful economists and businessmen, and hear how they rose to their positions through hard work and dedication. This has been of great value. Do you feel we have had enough opportunities to experience what it is like to work in a large organization?
At first I believed that to be the case. Now I'm not so sure.
I think we've been given ample opportunities, first through the work placement program, and then by means of the excursions we've taken to some of the most prominent financial institutions in the country. I feel though that through the course we haven't put enough emphasis on communication.
Communication is vital in the workplace, especially in an environment where one mistake can have serious consequences. But I believe we've been taught the necessary skills. Our lecture yesterday covered this topic thoroughly.
You mentioned you may not continue with economics. Is it perhaps because you believe we haven't been shown the career possibilities in this field?
No, our classes with Miss Hathaway have been beneficial in showing the possibilities. It seems the teachers here would like us all to continue in our study. They take every opportunity to assist us in identifying what specific career to pursue.
I agree. They have made it very clear what our options are, which I'm thankful for.
That is the end of part 3. You now have 30 seconds to check your answers.